electric downdraft cooktops from KitchenAid are a beautiful addition to any kitchen. The ventilation system is seamlessly integrated in the cooking surface, which makes a separate hood unnecessary and gives your kitchen a sleek, refined look that only hints at power that lies beneath the scratch-resistant CookShield finish. Whether you choose a 4 or 5 element model, the performance will make you rethink what's possible from an electric cooktop. Thanks to a 10-inch even heat ultra element that provides greater versatility for both high and low temperature cooking. The even heat technology not only maintains constant power, it delivers a range of simmer settings. The 6-inch even heat element with even heat melt combines the benefits of even heat technology with a dedicated setting for the low temperatures needed to melt chocolate or butter without scorching. And because they don't require a hood, these cooktops can be placed virtually anywhere in the kitchen, unlocking a myriad of design possibilities. Furthermore, when installed with the available duct-free kit, they don't require outside ventilation, expanding your kitchen design possibilities. Whether ducted or duct-free, the 3-speed fan moves up to 300 cubic feet of air per minute to clear the air. KitchenAid downdraft cooktops are the perfect companions on your culinary journey, beautifully combining style and precision and delivering results that are nothing short of delicious.
Hi, I'm Gab from Philips, and today we're having a look at the all-new ultra-thin premium induction cooktop. It is simple to use, it's precision at the touch of a button. So the beautiful thin design means that it's easy to put anywhere with a regular power outlet. It can be portable as well. So with this machine, you are actually getting a magnet, and the magnet is to test your cookware. So if the magnet will stick to your cookware, then the cookware can be used on the induction cooktop. So that comes with it. Of course, you get a user manual guide, and then of course you're getting this padded carry bag, which means that this product is portable. So if you wanted to take it with you, whether it's camping or caravanning or to a friend's home, it's portable and it's padded, so it's nice and safe. Because it is ultra thin and also quite light, it's easy to move around. The power of the induction cooktop has 8 preset functions and it has 10 different power settings. So let me show you what each and every one of those are. We've also got a sliding variable dial control, which means that you can adjust the temperature through that variable slide dial. If you're sitting on either side of the table in a hot pot situation or a fondue situation, it's a very easy to access and adjust setting for you. You've also got a time delay start, you've got a cooking timer setting, and you've got a child safety lock on that for all of the Philips safety features that you'd normally expect. Okay, so power on, and then the functions are preset slow cook, preset for the milk and fondue, you've got your fry or saute, you've got your warm function button, you've got steaming and stewing, you've got your manual function button, you've got a boil function button, and of course you've got your soup or congee. They are the 8 different settings where if you touch them, they will automatically adjust to the correct wattage for that function. And last but not least, every single one of those functions has a maximum cooking time. So from a safety perspective, the machine will turn itself off if you happen to forget about that cooking that's going on there.
Hi guys, I'm Warren from Nev, and today I'm here to show you how to use our induction cooktop without using our twist pad fire. Turn on the cooktop by pressing the main power button. Within 5 seconds, simultaneously touch the timer and the alarm symbols. Hold until you hear a beep to indicate it is ready. Press the alarm symbol repeatedly until the indicator for the desired hot plate lights up. Set the desired heat setting by pressing the timer or the arrow symbols. The hot plate is now activated. It is important to note that without the twist pad fire, the timer function cannot be activated. The twist pad fire can be placed back on the twist pad at any time and will automatically function as normal. Please refer to your user manual for more detailed instructions. Thanks for watching.
The InstaCook has an appealing digital LED display for easy operation, even in low light. It comes with 8 different modes tailored to your specific needs, specially suited for Indian cooking. It has timer controls that range from 1 minute to 3 hours and variable temperature control that goes from 60 degrees to 270 degrees. also comes with an auto temperature setting. The InstaCook comes with a copper coil, which means energy efficient and longer life. Now the InstaCook is a great way to cook. It's more efficient compared to the LPG, since there's no loss of heat. The InstaCook operates from 120 watt to 2000 watt and comes equipped with a 10 ampere 3-pin plug top. Now the InstaCook ST saves energy and is thus low on cost. And that's not all. The InstaCook also comes with a 2-year warranty. So here's your chance to experience a new, efficient and faster way of cooking. Get InstaCook into your kitchen and in your lives today.